We have finished all presentation for these 2 days. So let me appreciate to the all speakers and all attendees for your kind support and cooperations. Next, moving on to the closing remarks. So please.
All right. Well, 2 days goes awful quickly, considering all the months and months of planning that go into this event. So I did actually want to just say a few thank yous to some of the people who make this happen. First of all, let me say thanks to the program committee and the steering committee for the conference, and particularly to Jaspar and Kotani-san for their leadership in making this event happen in this great venue here in Yokohama. So thank you very much. I'd also like to thank all our exhibitors and sponsors. Hopefully they had a good event. Hopefully you learned a lot from what they have here. Without them, it would be very difficult to do this event. So it was great having them all here back in person again. So thank you to the exhibitors and sponsors. And as Kotani-san said, thank you very much to all the speakers. It was very competitive. There were many, many good talks that were submitted. It was very difficult to down select, to fit it all into 2 days. But I think it was a great job by the program committee in doing that determination. Let's see. So thank you, of course, to all of you who traveled here. It's so nice to have everyone back in person again. This was as I mentioned yesterday, we were pretty close to the attendance that we had before COVID. So it looks like we're pretty much back almost to normal. So again, it was great, and we appreciate everyone's travel. I know it was a little challenging with some of the restrictions and whatnot that were going on right up until a few weeks ago. So glad everyone could make it. Thanks to the IEEE staff from New Jersey, Rosalinda. Thank you to the IEEE Japan office for all their local support as well. Let's see, am I forgetting anyone? Thank you to the staff of the Pacifico for the nice job that they did for us as well. With that, it says see you next year. We have not determined exactly where we will be yet next year. The steering committee will take a couple of weeks off, take a little bit of a break after all this activity. And then we'll be reconvening in a few weeks to review what went well, what we might do different in the future, and most importantly, where we will be in 2023. So that'll hopefully be decided before the end of the year. And as I mentioned earlier this morning, all the presentation materials and some of the videos, you should expect to see that available sometime in December, and all attendees will get an email about that when it does become available. So I think that's about all I had. So to wrap up, thank you to everyone again. We wish you safe travels as you journey back home, and we look forward to seeing you again next year. So thanks very much.